Hi, good morning everybody. My name is Natasha Patel. My audience here is my fellow colleagues of Comp 110 class. My topic today is on nonverbal communication. Does anybody know what is nonverbal communication? Nonverbal communication is an important and crucial part of communication that involves the use of one's entire body in conveying a message. As the world is becoming smaller and smaller due to the advent of internet and cell phones, it has never become so important to communicate more effectively. Contrary to the belief that communication is simply oral or written exchange of words. Author Melanie Lamé states that 90% of the communication in face-to-face interaction is nonverbal. Thus, to properly convey the message, it is important to engage one's entire body to be consistent with verbal dialogue. Being able to read the body language will enhance one's understanding in different situations. These skills can be used in various scenarios such as interviews, work, social networks, and personal relationships. It is a vast and many-faceted topic, so let us talk about some major topics. Let us start with body posture. Imagine you are shopping at a mall and approaching a salesperson to get the details about a product. The salesperson is standing with his hands folded, and when you are approaching him, he just extends and briefly gives a smile. In the second scenario, when you are entering another store and approaching another salesperson, if at this time the salesperson steps forward, he gives a smile and reaches to the product you are holding. Which one do you think is appropriate? The first or the second?
Second.
You are right. In the first case, the salesperson is standing in a defensive position. He is less inviting, and it kind of creates a barrier between him and the customer. According to the speaker and executive coach and contributor of FIFR Annual Training Manual, Linda Talley, states that do not put your hands into your pocket or behind your back. When you do either of these things, people will be wondering what is behind your back instead of listening what you are saying. So what should one do to communicate more effectively? There are certain tips given in an article of American Salesman. It states that by avoiding flamboyant gestures, by sitting straight with placing both your feet flat on the floor, and nodding your head from time to time and keeping an eye contact. This is only one aspect of nonverbal communication. Now let us talk about the other. Speech. It also contains elements of paralanguage, including the voice quality, speaking style, your emotion, stress, your intonation. Our tone also adds a lot of meaning to what you are saying, what you are presenting. Think about how you will respond when your client or patient is wanted to tell you some important information, but as you are in hurry, you would harshly answer him. In this case, the client would be negatively responding. He would not give you the complete information. But in the second case, imagine if you have answered him in a hurried and calm manner. Then in this, the client would have responded you positively and would provide you with complete information. Now comes the eye contact. It is an important channel of interpersonal communication. It helps to regulate the flow of communication. In one of the articles by Linda Talley states that eye contact can be used to control audience members or to make a connection with the audience. It helps to create interest in others and increases the speaker's credibility. The last aspect of nonverbal communication is physical appearance. How you dress, your style, color of clothes, how you fix your hair, your body type and posture, all these send messages. It is very important to dress appropriately in a particular situation. Any questions?
Yeah.
Based on the facts that is based on the information presented, the importance of communication in modern business is obvious. The fact that a large number of successful CEOs, auditors and salespersons refer to the physiology of human behavior as one of the useful non-business skill they possess, demonstrates the vitality of using such a skill appropriately and effectively. So it is very important to know what the non-verbal communication skills are to present yourself effectively and appropriately. Thank you.